Hi guys, today I will show you how to change Outlook language. So first things first, you have to open your Outlook, log in or sign into your account. And then here what you're going to do is you have to go on to your options, which can be found when you tap the file at the bottom left corner. So tap this one right here and then scroll down. You have to look for the option. Now scroll down again and look for language. Then here you can just basically add or remove a language on your Outlook. So in order for you to change, all you have to do is to select that specific language and then tap OK. Now you can also add a language right here, but you have to make sure that you have installed this to your PC or to your device. For example, if I'm going to add a language right here and I haven't enabled this, I need to install this to my language setting here on my PC. So once I have installed that language, then I can add this language to my Outlook PC. So that's it. All you have to do is to install, go back to your Outlook, go to File, go to Option, and then add that specific language. Now, basically, that's how easy it is to change Outlook language. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.